I'm going to show you how to get more coding work done in 4 hours than someone does in 12 hours. This is a no BS approach to coding, and if you want to get ahead of people as a self-taught developer, this is the video for you. It's very simple, okay? What I want you to do is take your phone, open it up, go to the notification section, turn off all notifications, then go to your timer, put 2 to 4 hours, set the timer, and chuck your phone out. You see, the biggest reason why most coders can't learn to code and end up failing is because of distraction. Now you may be saying, like, why does distraction matter? Distraction does not let you focus on what you need to focus on. In addition, it does not allow you to think clearly on the problems that you're solving, which is absolutely necessary if you want to code. And Cal Newport's book, Deep Work, summarizes this perfectly. He says that what we focus on is who we become and what we are. And if you think about it for a second, right? Like whenever you've focused on something deeply for a long period of time, you've become that type of person. It could also be bad and good. Like if you focus on the negatives too much, you can end up being too anxious. If you end up focusing on a lot of the good parts of your life, you notice that you're happier. And the same goes for programming. The more that you're able to focus on your code and the things you're doing while code, you're able to get more done. In addition, a lack of distraction brings about clarity. And by putting your phone away, turning notifications off, and just allowing yourself to focus on the code at hand, you're able to think more clearly at the problems at your disposal. Most coders code for, say, 12 hours, yet they're super distracted. They're on their phones, they have a call, they have emails on. Why would you have emails on while coding? You're focused, you have to stay focused while coding. And seriously, when I removed notifications off my phone, I was able to learn the hard programming concepts that I found impossible. When I just sat there for 4 hours straight, no distractions, no talking to anyone, no music, I was able to get work done that people could not do in 12 hours. And by being distracted, you don't allow yourself to have a clear mind and you're not able to focus. And I've highlighted focus and clarity for one reason. Both bring about deep work. And if you don't know what deep work is, have you ever been so deeply focused on a subject? Maybe you were in sports as a kid, or you had a test you had to study for the night before, and you were just so freaking focused on the task at hand that time flew by, it felt effortless, and felt like reality wasn't really there. And that comes about when you're focusing on the task at hand. And that is what we're trying to achieve. By removing these distractions, removing these notifications, you allow yourself to get into that deep flow state, which makes code easier to write, and you're able to get more work done. Remove the distractions, no more notifications. You will be a top developer if you can do this.